everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Album, and I am going to go through all of the projects that I've made so far in the Christmas Cookie Exchange online virtual retreat for Country Craft Creations. So I'm going to tell you what we did Wednesday and Thursday, November 30th and December 1st, 2022, and I'll show you the projects. So while I'm taking you through some of these projects, I'll give you a little overview of what's happening. This one's not done. You're actually seeing the side of it. But first we started with a kickoff with Tamara from Country Craft Creations. She went through our kit and showed us, the different papers and what goes with what paper and that kind of thing, and just sort of gave us an overview. This is one of the projects. It's just so much fun. I guess I can't talk and show you this at the same time. And then later on, she went to a field trip. She lives in Utah, and she went through downtown Ogden, Utah, which is fabulously decorated with I don't know how many Christmas lights. But it was just like you were there, except we weren't as cold as she was. But it was a lot of fun, and there was a huge surprise at the end of that, and I'm just not going to tell you what it was. After that, it just was the kickoff, and that was it for Wednesday night. Now, Thursday morning, we started fast and furious with this. So this is called the Christmas Star Loaded Envelope. And again, I'm not going to do a tutorial because, number one, it's not my project, and number two, only people who paid for the virtual retreat got the tutorial, but I can show you my version of the project. This was using fabulous paper with the purple and blue. I mean, don't you love that for Christmas? And we received these straws, and there is a die to cut this out, but I fussy cut it, and it came out okay. Look at all the... I guess I need to focus. Look at all the details on there. And I added some Nuvo crystal drops. Come on, focus. From my stash. Why do things never focus when you want them to? There we go. And I also had to get out of my stash. I had this Art Glitter Fantasy Fiber that I just thought would go really nice with the iridescent Crystal Nuvo drops. Now that didn't come in the package, but the good thing about doing these online virtual retreats at your home is that you can add things from your stash. The shaker wasn't part of the whole tutorial, but I just loved this, and it really lended itself to making a shaker. So I made a shaker. Why not? So these go in this loaded envelope, and look, it's gusseted, so there is room to stick in, I don't know, socks, lots of gift cards, a Christmas card, I don't know, just a lot of things. And then there are several different pockets. So this is a pocket here, and we received this pom-pom trim. I call it snowball trim, because doesn't it look like snowballs? And then Tiffany decorated this differently. I mean, similar, but differently. And oh my goodness, she's just a hoot. You guys need to go check out Tiffany's channel. I'll link it in the description box below because it's fun. It's like stress-free. Where's my little tag? I had a tag in here. I was letting all of the glittery stuff dry. I put on the front of mine something different, but I added those crystal drops to the Merry Christmas. I'm trying to get it so you can see, and you can't. Take my word for it. And this opens. We received these cute little Velcro dots in the kit. I've never seen them that small. They are just adorable. So anyhow, this opens, so you can add something here. This would be fabulous to add several different gift cards to someone, which, I know people... Oh, here's my tag. I know sometimes people don't like giving gift cards, but some people, there's nothing else you can give, So my kids are getting gift cards. I'll probably just print off an Amazon gift card. But anyhow, So this will go in like that, and these can go wherever you want to put them. And that'll go in there. But there's more. Turn it over. And there are these adorable envelopes, which this is perfect for gift cards. She sized them for gift cards. Like my mother-in-law, you know, what do you get people that have everything they need? But I know where she shops. I know where she likes to go get an ice cream cone. And I can just get some gift cards and put them in there. You know, they don't have to be really elaborate. Just, you know, just something fun. Something that they wouldn't do buy for themselves, but yet they would, it's places they would go. So anyhow, this was Tiffany's project, and it was a lot of fun to do. And then second in the lineup, and these are all pre-recorded, so even if you're not able to be there and do it at the same time that the recording goes live, you can go back forever and do this. And I'm thinking that this one especially, I might go back and do with a totally different theme, not Christmas. This would be great for birthdays and things like that. So this is done by Sandy Trefker. It is, what do we call this one? A loaded pocket. No, what am I talking about? This is a flip folio from Sandy Trefker, and I will include a link to her channel in the description box below as well. Of course, you're not going to see this tutorial, but you will see other fabulous things that she does. We also got in the kit the ribbon, these holly with the berries, and these snowflakes. I decorated mine differently, of course, you know, just because the paper is fabulous, and there's so many different facets of the paper to do. But she shows you how to cut it, how to glue it all together, and then this comes down. All right, so I did mine differently. There was supposed to be a belly band, and I, of course, did it differently. And I didn't put the belly band, but I did make this little booklet, which was pretty cute. Look at those snowmen, aren't they adorable? But that holds this pocket closed, and I used that on my pocket. She, of course, did it differently. And I put one of the cut-aparts right there, so that goes like that. But then this part is a waterfall. So, I mean, there's a lot of bang for the buck with this project. And I added a pocket to the bottom, put in one of the little cut-aparts that came with that 8x8 collection. And then this ties like that. The ribbon came with our retreat package. So they really think of everything. So that closes like that. And then the back of it is like this. There's a little flap here. I included a magnet. Actually, I had broken magnets. One here and one under there. I fussy cut those two pieces from a different part. Added a couple of little cut-aparts inside that little flap there. And then this is, yes, a place for a gift card. So this would be a great gift for somebody else. I added a little cut-apart in the pocket, but that is the perfect size for a gift card. And that closes with this lovely jute twine. What did Sandy call it? Button string, I think she called it. Which I've never heard of it referred to that, but you learn something new every day. Come on, die. There we go. And again, these went in the pocket. So that was project number 2 for yesterday. Project number 3, I am not completely done with, but I wanted to show you this. So this is a fabulous waterfall, and you have to, I mean, the design on this paper is fabulous. It's all about "'Twas the night before Christmas." This says, "The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while vision of sugar plums danced in their heads." And it, yeah, it's a waterfall to put pictures in. That's the full diagram. So anyhow, that goes like that. And I will show you in the next vlog or whatever you want to call it when I tell you different things that I'm doing with this virtual retreat. I'll show you this all completed, but I just wanted to show you some of the beautiful paper. If you guys have not checked out Country Craft Creations and looked at their paper that's only available through Country Craft Creations, then you're doing yourself a disservice. You need to go check that out. So I can't wait to get this done and show you what it's all going to look like. I did do a walkthrough on my channel. Wait, no, this goes like this. This goes like this. And then like that. These are two little pockets. Or get gift cards or things. And this is a box pocket. And like, oh, this one is, by the way, from Jennifer Palmer. And like she said, you could put candy bars in there. I don't know, like a little book, a little notepad, whatever you want. I think candy would probably be preferred. Or hot cocoa, a bunch of hot cocoa packs. Anyhow, it actually closes like this, and this is called, I've got the paper right here in front of me. It is called the Flat Rate Box Folio because this will fit in the USPS flat rate box. That is genius all by itself. You know? Just so smart and clever. So anyhow, that is what I've done so far with the Country Craft Creations Christmas cookie online virtual retreat. One of these days I'll get it smooth. By the time I'm done recording all of these for you, I will get it all done. Anyhow, I wanted to show you that because it's all fabulous stuff. So don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, because it will be announced at the end of the retreat when the next retreat is, and that's something you don't want to miss. So make sure you stay tuned and find out when it is so you can hurry up and get involved with it. Because once it's sold out, they limit the number of people. Once it's sold out, it's sold out. Oh, I forgot to tell you, there was a fun Zoom last night. It was crazy fun. You know, that's all I'm going to say, crazy fun. All right, that's what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.